Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and I hope in these trying times that these videos can be a distraction to you guys. So what I'm doing is I'm broadcasting videos instead of 3 times a week, our usual Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'm doing Monday through Friday. So during this time, since we're all at home, I'm actually giving you 5 videos a week. And the most common email I've got since I've been home is now the time to buy a new car? So we're going to answer that in this video. So remember, if you like what you see here, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video, especially now that we're posting extra videos. Like and share these videos so our channel can grow, and as always, leave a positive comment below. So new cars, we want them, but can we afford them? So here you see the new C8 Corvette, which is probably the hottest car for 2020 model year. Now, new car sales are at a big standstill. They're down about 30%. I think they're going to be down even more than that, depending how long everything that's going on there in the world lasts. So I know a lot of people have lost their jobs. My real estate business has been kaput, and obviously that's why people aren't buying new cars. Here where I live in New Jersey, the sales rooms, the showrooms are closed, but the service centers are open. I think they allow you now, you can buy a car virtually. You can essentially buy it online. So I think some dealers are even coming to your house, if you feel that's safe, to let you test drive the car. And of course, you are allowed, I believe, to go to the dealership to pick up your new car if you bought it. So doing a search of deals out there, I found a lot of good deals if you're able to, if you're confident that you're going to keep your job, and of course, if you have the money to pay a new payment, this could be an excellent time to get a new car. The deals are probably never going to be cheaper, and looking at some of the deals out there, it's really been since about 10 years since we've seen deals like this when we had the Great Recession. So if I look perusing in the on manufacturer sites, I see BMW did have an offer, no payments for 90 days. They have very aggressive leases now on a lot of their products. So if you've been looking for a new BMW, now may be the time. Now I see a lot of 0% financing for other manufacturers up to 84 months. A really good car that you can get right now is the Kia Stinger. You can see my review of it on this channel. And Kia is offering, like, not on the Kia Stinger GT, but on base Kia Stingers, their aggressive leases like $279 a month, which is really inexpensive for a great handling car. Now, a lot of deals are out there. You really have to shop around. Make sure that you can get a loan if you have your own financing. I would try to see what my own financing is with my own bank and credit union, then compare that to what the dealers are offering. But I think now can be an excellent time to get that car if you need a new car. As we go on with this, hopefully the economic recovery is quicker than we hope, and that'll allow things to get back to normal. If you are, if you're confident that you're still going to have a job and still have a paycheck, like my real estate business is 100% commission, so while this has been going on, I've had 0 paychecks. But if you have a salary job and you're confident you're going to keep that salary job and you need a new car, then this may be a perfect storm for you. Of course, we want everybody out there to be safe and their families to be healthy. But again, I hope these videos are a distraction for you and can help you guys not listen to the news every 5 seconds and kind of escape from reality. But again, there's going to be really good deals on normal cars. There's going to be really good deals on sports cars. And if you're in position, if you're confident with your financial stability and you're in position to purchase that new car, you're probably not going to get better financing rates or deferred payment rates. And now is an excellent opportunity to get that car. And it helps everybody out too. Obviously, you get the new car, but obviously the salesman makes money, the dealerships makes money, so they don't have to lay off people. So hopefully, if you're able to do that, that you can do that. So we're going to have a lot of car reviews on the channel. We've had over 600 car reviews on this channel. So if there's a particular car you're looking for, just type in my name in the search box or peruse the channel for those 600 videos, and you'll find videos of everything mainstream like this Audi Q5 to newer sports cars, BMWs, convertibles, Porsches, Corvettes, you name it. Thanks again for watching, guys. Everybody out there, be safe. Look for those new car deals. Tell me what you got. Post your deals that you see advertised in the comments below, and maybe we can help each other if some of our subscribers are looking for cars. And if you're not a subscriber and you made it this far, you should be a subscriber. So hit subscribe to this. You get at least 3 videos a week, probably 5 while I'm home now. So hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. Remember to like and share these videos so our channel can grow. And as always, leave a positive comment below. And stay safe, everyone. Stay inside. Don't go outside unless you absolutely have to. The time will come when we can drive our cars again, and hopefully it'll come soon. And in the meantime, I hope you and your family are safe, and we get back to some normality soon. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time.